weekend is here, and if, like me, you don't have any plans for the weekend, then here are some OTT releases that you can watch. Remember, you're not alone. If you like action thrillers, then Agent is the perfect pick for you. Directed by Surendra Reddy and starring Akhil, the film follows a raw agent tasked with taking down a former rebel agent. It's a tried and tested agent plot which promises a lot of action. Plot to gisa hua hai yaar. But let's see where it goes.
Are you ready, boys?
Now, if you love movies like ABCD and Street Dancer, then dance dekho and be happy. Literally, the movie is called Be Happy. Directed by Remo D'Souza and starring Abhishek Bachchan and Nora Fatehi, the film follows a heartwarming journey of a single father and his daughter trying to achieve her dreams of performing in a dance reality TV show.
धारा को डांस करते हुए देखकर ऐसा लगता है कि शी इज बोर्न टू डांस। चलोगी मुंबई मेरे साथ?
स्टोरी सिर्फ इंस्पायरिंग ही नहीं है, but it also shows us how the protagonist overcomes life challenges through dance and music. So if you're looking for a movie जो आप पूरी फैमिली के साथ बैठकर देख सको, then this is it. वनवास थिएटर में बहुत पहले रिलीज हो गई थी, but now it has finally made its way to OTT. Directed by Anil Sharma and featuring the OG Nana Patekar. This movie has been on my watch list for a while now. Vanvas tells a heart-wrenching story of an elderly father who struggles with dementia and his loving family. ट्रेलर देख के मुझे समझ आ गया था, मैं तो फूट-फूट के रोने वाली हूँ. So if you are someone who is an emotional person like me, tissues का बॉक्स रेडी रखना and तब ये मूवी देखना.
मेरे बच्चे मुझे जान से भी ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं. सोमू भगवान की तरह पूछता है मुझे.
अरे बुढ़ाऊ बंद कर, बस कर. तेरे बच्चे यहाँ छोड़कर गए तुझे.
बकवास बंद कर.
बकवास नहीं, सच है. इन बुड्ढों की तरह तू भी यहाँ पे अनाथ लावारिस है.
The movie is coming on ZEE5 on March 14. इस लिस्ट में एक एनिमेटेड मूवी भी है. हाँ जी, so after 3 years, Mona has finally decided to go on another adventure. With the guidance of her ancestors, she is on a quest to discover a new island.
You wanted to come this time.
Looks like a chill watch, and now with summers coming, this is the adventure that I would love to go on. Even if it's virtual, because छुट्टी तो मिलेगी नहीं. और finally, कंगना जी की recent movie, that is Emergency, is coming on OTT.
मैं ही कैबिनेट हूँ.
जिसको डायरेक्ट भी उन्होंने खुद किया है और इंदिरा गांधी का रोल भी वही प्ले कर रही हैं. This movie portrays the chaotic period of Indian emergency. With its powerful storytelling, impeccable direction, and outstanding performances, Emergency is a must-watch for anyone interested in Indian history and politics.
हम सबकी नजर आपकी कुर्सी पर है कि कब आप कुर्सी से गिरे और ये लपक ले.
संपूर्ण व्यवस्था बदलने का एक ही रास्ता है, संपूर्ण क्रांति.
So let me know which one are you most excited to watch, and if you have already watched one, let me know your opinion in the comment section below. This is Sukhman for Binge It signing off.